Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I just want to say something. What son Adelaja, I will not put pastor because he's a criminal. Son Adelaja is pointing what President Buhari said in UN. Are you praising America? For America to rescue? Hey, people are dying in Mediterranean Sea because of bad governors. Don't blame any Europeans. Pastor Sandra Adelaja said in World War II, America intervened after the war and they invested heavily in Europe. Because of this, the people they invested in their country is these people, these leaders in Europe, they are patriotic to their motherland, to their fatherland and their motherland. How much Japan have like mineral resources? All the mineral resources we have in Nigeria, there, that failed country, these people are stealing it, and they are saying that Buhari make a good speech. Son Adelaja, you're a criminal. You are looking to come and open church in Nigeria. You are creating a way, creating awareness for the government to support you. You are a criminal. Anybody who get this message, send it to Pastor. I will not put Pastor. He's a criminal. He defrauded the Ukrainians in Kiev. I have lived in Ukraine before. In Kiev, there, I live in Odessa. When he's going to court as a criminal, he just want to pinpoint something and promote Buhari. Okay, let the Western world, the developing world, intervene in Africa. Invest billions there, they put it in their pocket, and the poor ones are dying. And I say that Trump are building wall. Why they will not build wall? Well, the leaders in Africa, look at a whole continent travel to Japan to go and borrow a single country money to country who doesn't have iron, they doesn't have gold, they don't have brass, they don't have aluminium, they don't have any mineral resources, only technology, are borrowing millions of thousands, all the nation money. A small country like Japan, all the money this country have borrowed, they couldn't make use of it. Their citizens are suffering. And Pastor Sunday Adelaja is there pinpointing, promoting Buhari. Pastor Sunday Adelaja, you're a criminal. We need Biafra. Biafra is going to be the job. We compete with Europe. That's why you people are afraid to leave us alone. Yoruba is afraid to leave us alone because you people know that if Biafra leave, you people are going to be in hot soup. If we leave Nigeria, if that country break today, we are going to be the fastest economy in Africa. We compete with Europeans. They know in Biafran war, some leaders in Europe said they don't want to have another Japan in Africa again. They control. They know what they pass through Japan. If they have another Japan in Africa, that one is going to be a catastrophe. We bet you people, if Biafra come, if he doesn't see skyscraper like Europeans, if he doesn't see development, because we know why it's not working out, Nigeria is not working out, is our leaders rely on federal government. If we have Biafra, our leaders will be afraid to steal. I remember when I'm small, when Mbakwe is ruling, Mbakwe he pays school fees 50,000 naira for his children, all his children in America, some of his children in America. The secretary of Imo State then, Okpara, all of them, Godwin Chimroke, in Omaya, all of them make sure that Mbakwe get that money back. Only 50,000 a governor. I know that 50,000 then is million now. But to tell you that we hold our you see, only our tribe, Igbo people, we are the one who we make sure we beat our senator. We can't tolerate nonsense in Biafra. We don't tolerate corruption. Leave us alone. Let us see. Let's divide Nigeria. We can compete. Let competition be. That time, every region was working hard to grow. We Biafrans bet you people that You people will be looking for visa to come to Biafra land. Because of our leader will be afraid to steal, because we will beat them the hell there if they do nonsense. Their children will be in danger if they do nonsense. We are not ready to tolerate any king or any chief or anybody or if you steal our money. Why is it happening like that? Because of they use federal government and cover themselves. And if somebody go to federal and steal, if you want to hold him, he said, what of that Yoruba man who have steal? If Igbo man steal, Yoruba man will say, that Igbo man who have steal. What did you do to him? If Fulani man is still, that Fulani man will say, what of Yoruba man who still? Let us divide the country. People can be competing each other. If you are poor, if you are going bankrupt, we will bail you out. Europe have done it with Greece and Italy. And you are here promoting what Buhari said. What does that mean? Let the world give Buhari money. The Abacha loot. What did they use that money for? All the money they borrowed from China, what did they use it for? Pastor Sunday, you're a criminal. Don't tell me. Don't convince people because you are targeting to come and open church. That your church is not going to work out. No, even now we don't trust any pastor because all the pastors are promoting politicians. That's why praying for politicians to and they say you will make it. A politician who is in your church will go and take all the contract awarded to build road. He will use that money and go and give pastor in the name of you will make it. You will prosperity preaching. Pastor Sunday, you should be very, very careful. You're a criminal. Don't tell on nonsense. Buhari didn't make any speech. We are Biafra. We are going. We need our country. Let Yoruba be on their own. If you want to be in a union, we can now sit down and talk. Which kind of government did we want? What are you saying, Pastor Sunday? Anybody who get this thing, send it to his email, send it to any media he's using for him to listen to me. Pastor Sunday is a criminal. You are pinpointing. You are just Buhari didn't say anything. All those words did he implement? All those things he want to come and cover. He want to pretend because of Biafra. We are about to go. We need our own country. We need our own country. Biafra we need to compete to the developing world. Why are you mad? You are saying that people are dying in Mediterranean Sea. When the leaders are killing and making people. Nigeria supposed to be developed, even in some African countries supposed to be coming to Nigeria and work. When there is no work, Nigerians are poor. And you are in Ukraine there, enjoying them, stealing their money in your church. You are preaching. Thunder kill you there. You are pastor. Let me hear you any word from you again. Criminal Adelaja. Idiot. Yoruba people, they don't want to leave us. You people are afraid. If Biafra leave today, flying people will deal with you people. You know, you people have Muslim too much. The Muslim there, you people will start bombing each other there. That's why you people don't want Biafra to go. Because you are afraid. Fulani wipe you people because of you people cannot fight war. Idiot. You stupid, idiot Yorubas.